Hi, I'm Kayce. This is Hayden and our horse Snoopy, and today I'm going to be talking about manual restraints. The first one is really simple, and it's just a halter and a lead rope. This is your most basic restraint, and it's one that is used pretty much every day. Next, I'll demonstrate how to put a chain over your horse's nose. You want to make sure that it's really important to get this loop over the front of the halter, and then come out and up to the top, with your pointer facing outwards so that it's not going to stick and bug Snoopy. Next, I'll demonstrate how to do a lip chain. You're going to put it on kind of the same way, but with no cross over the halter. And then use your chain, hold his lip up, and while pulling on the chain just so slightly so that it sits right at the top of his gums. And then hold down with steady pressure. You never want to lead your horse with the lip chain. Just use it as a restraint when you're clipping or maybe even holding for a vet. Next, I'll demonstrate how to do a lip twine. It can be used the same as a lip chain, but it's with a thinner cord. I like to tie a loop on the end of mine just because it's a little easier to put on faster. You're going to come to the outside, and using your loop, run your twine back through itself so that it's stuck on the halter now. Then come over to the other side, run it through your ring, and same way that you put on your lip chain, you're going to hold his lip up and gently pull down on the twine. And now you have your lip twine. Another manual restraint is using a twitch. It's going to go right on his upper lip, and you want to make sure before applying it you stick your pinky out because it'll be easier to put the twitch on their nose with your pinky sticking out. Grab their upper lip and slide the twitch over your hand, and then slowly tighten the twitch using your hand. You want to make sure that you get it tight enough that it's not going to slip off once you let go. And then just to release, slowly unwind. And if your horse will let you, gently rub his nose to help bring the blood flow back to his nose. Another commonly used restraint is chemical restraints. These are used through the use of tranquilizers that can also be very useful just to help dull your horse down a little bit. Another restraint some people use is called an ear twitch, but here at William Woods we don't utilize them. Next, I'll demonstrate how to do a shoulder roll. This can be used as like a quick distraction for like a vet giving a vaccination. You're going to, just in front of his scapula, you're going to push in and grab a bunch of skin and roll into himself. You see how he pushes away from you? Then to let go, just let go slowly and smooth it out. Another manual restraint is called the leg lift. It's important to make sure that you're working with the front end of the horse. If you're working at the hind end, they're a lot stronger than you, and you're not going to be able to hold his leg. So, for example, if you were working on Snoopy's hind left leg, you would do a leg lift with his front left leg. You ask him to pick up his leg, and by holding the cornet band and his knee, simply lift up, and then let go. When working on the right front leg, you want to do a leg lift with the left front leg, because horses can't stand just on their hind end. Same thing with the other side. If you're working on his right hind, you want to do a leg lift with his front right. All of these restraints can be used when doing things such as clipping, holding for a farrier, or holding for a vet. They should be really quick and easy to apply to help you in a time of need.